This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Google Docs file and getting straight to the footer. This is where edits happen. Click Insert, choose Header and Page Number, then Footer, or simply double-click the bottom margin to reveal the footer area. Once the footer is visible, scan for content, text, page numbers, or section breaks. Make sure you're viewing the correct section if the doc uses different headers and footers for sections. This first action prepares the document so you can remove the footer cleanly. Now remove the footer content itself. Click inside the footer and delete any text, images, or page number fields. If your document has multiple sections, look at the toolbar and uncheck Link to Previous to prevent other sections from being affected. Unlinking is crucial to avoid unintended changes. If a page number persists, select it and press Delete. Make sure to check Format and Paragraph Styles to clear any leftover formatting that might recreate space after deletion. Finish by clicking outside the footer and scrolling through the document to confirm the footer is gone and no empty space remains. Use View Right Arrow Print Layout to verify how it will appear when printed or exported. If the footer still appears, inspect for section breaks. Remove or adjust them since they can reintroduce a different footer. If problems persist, copy content to a new document without section breaks as a last resort. This preserves content while removing stubborn formatting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.